Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Living Crafty and Cozy, and I have a patriotic video for you today, a DIY that I decided to do last minute. This is just a simple little archway I'm doing for my door using some Dollar Tree products, and I am simply just using some hot glue here to fix all of these items onto my brick wall on the outside of my house. Hot glue works great for this. It will hold when you need it to, and it will peel off when you need it to. And I am just starting with these adorable printed plates that I found there. These are, of course, the American flag, you can see, but those lighter blue ones are fireworks. And I am just making an archway around my door. And then I'm taking these blue and silver stars that I found in the party planning section, and then I am layering those over the top of the plates. All of these items are from Dollar Tree, and I am just doing multiple layers of varying colors and sizes of patriotic looking things, mostly just stars. And here I'm just taking a 3-pack of mini flags and hot gluing and tucking them at various angles around the archway. Here I found this adorable tiny star little garland, and I'm just pulling that apart and just filling in the archway. And for my final touch, I am just taking this blue and white nautical wreath that I found, and to give it that patriotic flair, I'm just tucking a flag inside and fixing it to the wreath. And I think everything looks really great and exciting together. This is the end result. You guys tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great holiday weekend, and we'll see you back here next time. Bye.